Late breaking tonight, a series of contentious hearings in the Casey Anthony case produced a string of setbacks for her defense team. Good evening. I'm Jim Payne.
I'm Martha Sigalski. The judge shot down defense motions to toss out several of Casey's statements, both to detectives and her family members. West 2's Bob Keeling has the rulings live right now in our newsroom. Bob?
Yeah, Martha, and now that Judge Perry, through this ruling, says that prosecutors can use Casey's statements against her right out of the box at trial. They can portray Anthony as deceptive and uncaring, even as her own family is frantic to find out what's happened to her missing daughter, Kaylee. An overriding theme of Judge Perry's new rulings is that Casey Anthony and her family were voluntarily giving and gathering information in an attempt to help find missing Kaylee Anthony. In his order denying the Perry said that they came as a result of consensual encounters with the police, not custodial interrogations, and therefore did not require Miranda warnings. In a newly released deposition, Sergeant John Allen said that besides her lies, Casey's initial behavior was peculiar. She wasn't upset, and even joked about her former fiancé being fat.
It lays a foundation for the prosecution's story. It shows you that you have a mother who clearly wasn't concerned about her daughter, who was already in lying mode from the very beginning to law enforcement, and allows them to paint the picture for the jury that Casey Anthony couldn't be trusted from day one, and she can't be trusted today.
Perry also denied the defense's motion to have Anthony's early statements to her family thrown out. He said family members clearly acted independently and were not so-called agents of the state manipulated into gathering dirt on Casey under the guise of trying to get information about Kaylee.
I know you trust me that I'm going to do what's best for everybody.
Exactly.
That memory of a mother who didn't seem to care about their child, that's going to definitely hurt the defense, and it's to the prosecution's benefit for it to come in.
Also, a couple of other notes. Judge Perry granted a prosecution motion to strike a defense challenge to their evidence of root growth around the remains at the crime scene. The judge also ruled the state will have to justify positive test results for chloroform found in the air in Casey's car during hearings on the science, and that comes next week. Let's back to you.
All right, Bob, thanks so much.